Hello guys, in this video we'll be taking you through a features comparison, pros and cons of QuickBooks versus Xero. So stick around to the end to get all the points so you can make an informed decision. And now with the features, when it comes to ease of use, QuickBooks has a steeper learning curve but offers more advanced features once mastered. On the other hand, Xero is generally considered more intuitive and easier to learn, especially for those new to accounting softwares. When it comes to pricing and users, QuickBooks offers 5 pricing plans ranging from $25 per month to $150 per month. On the other hand, Xero offers 3 pricing plans ranging from $12 to $65 per month. When it comes to invoicing and payments, QuickBooks offers robust invoicing with more customizable options and the ability to add custom fields. Xero also offers good invoicing features including customization and online payment options. And now to reporting. QuickBooks offers a broader range of reports including customizable reports and industry-specific options. Xero, on the other hand, provides a solid set of reports covering essential and financial statements. If you're interested in payroll, QuickBooks offers a more integrated and robust, including automatic tax calculations and filings. On the other hand, Xero integrates with third-party payroll providers. Basic payroll functionality may be limited. As with any service, you have pros and cons. And starting with the pros of QuickBooks, you have more advanced features, more robust payroll functionality, wider range of reports, and more robust customer support. And on the flip side, it can be more challenging to learn. There are user limits on some plans and can be more expensive in its pricing plans. Xero, on the other hand, for the bright side, you have it easier to learn and use. It has unlimited users and more affordable pricing plans. Then it also has a strong multi-currency support. On the flip side, you have fewer advanced features when compared to QuickBooks Online, and it has limited payroll functionality and less robust customer support. One similarity we'd like to mention about QuickBooks and Xero is that they offer free online trials, so you can take advantage of these trials to test out the software and see which is the best for you. So in summary, QuickBooks is best for businesses that need more advanced features, especially for payroll and reporting, and for businesses that are willing to invest more. It is a good fit for growing businesses with more complex accounting requirements. For Xero, it is best for businesses prioritizing ease of use, unlimited users, and a low pricing point. This is a good fit for startups and smaller businesses with basic accounting needs. At this point, we hope you have enough information to make a best decision, so go ahead and give it a try. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.